We have always had this question. Do we have to replace our windows all at one time? And the answer is no, you do not. And I'm a good example of this. This is my home. This is the very last window that I replaced in my home, and it just happened about a year ago. And so it's been almost 15 years ago I started replacing windows throughout the house. Probably did 80% of it the first round. And then I replaced the windows and doors down in the basement, which is a walkout, and it had 2 double hungs down there. I also did a renovation in my master bath and took out 2 of the older double hungs and put a picture window in it. And then finally this last year, we did a renovation in our living room and rebuilt a wall of windows that are behind me right now. This is a bow window, what we call a bow window. We added a knee wall and then put in stationary casement windows across the front of the house and put French casements on the ends. It's a push-out casement with a screen, so if we need to ventilate or want some fresh air, we can do that. They're behind these curtain panels. But it can happen. The door store did all of it, and they were there to add the product as I needed it.